Okay, so when you come into the app, the first time you'll have to sign up. So come up to the top right, click sign up, and fill in this information. So common name is just how you are known at church. So maybe it is by Deacon Lee or David. Name payments are made to. So if we're writing a check, who do we make it out to? Phone number is how you will log in, along with your month and your birth. And then you can select how you'd like to be reimbursed, whether it's by e-transfer, by check, or if you need a special arrangement with, you can always speak to the FA. So for example, if you need to be paid by cash, or if money is tight and you need to be paid in advance, please, yeah, that would all fall under special arrangement. So once you hit create account, it will bring you back to the login page, where you will need to just log in for the first time. And often, usually once you've done that, then it will stay logged in on your phone. Okay, so this is your home page. As you can see, you can add, edit expenses, see submitted claims, edit your profile, or log out. So we'll add an expense first. As you can see, you've never done this, so you have nothing here yet. So to start, you can either add a PDF file or add a picture of a receipt. So I will pick this one first. And then you just go in and you fill in all of the fields that are needed. So this is pretty much the same as what we have on our expense form now. Select your category. So let's say that's Sabbath lunch. You can choose your date. I'll put it for the 7th. So the total amount on the receipt. And then you can add, click on the plus to add a picture of the receipt. Now, if your receipt is long and you took several pictures, you can also add all several, as many as you need. You can see here, and then you just hit save. And there you have it. Now, you can continue adding as many expenses as you like on your claim before you submit. So let's say right now you only have $22. You'd like to wait until there's more expenses before submitting. That's fine. You can exit the app, come back at any time, and it will still keep a record of it. Okay, so we will add one more just as a something a little bit harder this time, as an example. So let's say this time you went to Walmart and you bought groceries for Sabbath lunch and also some RE supplies, some crafts for RE. Now, because that belongs to multiple categories, that's exactly what you would select. So you have both GA lunch and RE, so you would just choose this multiple categories here. And because of that, please make sure you use the notes to put in the details in terms of for exactly what you have. Okay, so you add your receipts, hit save, and now you can see here that you actually have this red box. And this is because you have some fields that are missing. So if right now you try to submit the claim, you will notice that it does not let you because you have information that's still not filled out. So you can hit OK and fill in anything that is a red box. So let's say the date is red and the amount. So let's say this one, I guess it was $60 plus your GST. Which we'll say is $1.50. Now with the receipts, if you want, you can click on it to expand, and you might realize, wait a second, I attached the wrong image. So when you hit exit, it will actually ask you, do you want to delete this, remove this image? And so you can cancel, or this one we will remove so that we only have this image. Then you hit save. And here you can see you have your total claim, 2 items, $82.25. And so what you can do now, let's say you want to submit the claim. You have no more expenses. So you hit submit claim. And it will tell you the FA will receive an email notifying them that a claim has been submitted. And they will start to review your claim. And so here you can see there's the $82.25 that you just submitted. If you click on this icon, you can see the details. Yep, there's the Walmart beef stew and the chicken curry. That's correct. You can So take a closer look. You can see all of the statuses of everything you've submitted. So you have a few expenses that are already reviewed or approved or paid. And so again, you can take a look and see exactly if you receive payment, what you receive payment for. And that's pretty much it. So hopefully that's easy enough. If you have any questions, feel free to talk to your FA.